Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I got my Allure Beauty Box. This is a box I look forward to so much each month because it's probably one of the boxes that has the most value for your money. It is a $20 subscription, or is it $25 now? I pay under 20 because I get it like every 6 months, or pay every 6 months. But anyway, it's a great subscription. Usually have anywhere from 5 to 7 items, and 5 to 7 items, and many of them are full size. And then we do get some samples, and they're usually high-end things, that brands that Allure recommends and whatnot. So anyway, I'm excited about this, so let's get to it. All right, friends. Okay, we're gonna open this up. This box this month is heavy, it's packed, and that's because almost everything we got is full size. So anyway, here's a little peek at the box, what's in it, and we're just gonna get started here. I'm gonna go to this blue box first thing. This is from Ole Henriksen, great brand. This is the Glow, it's the Glow 20H, whatever. It's spot toner. It says it's also exfoliating, and it's great for fading dark spots and also a glow-inducing formula. There we go. That's what it looks like. And the value of this is $35 for this bottle. I thought it would be a glass bottle, but it's just a plastic bottle, which is probably better actually. But anyway, so this is fun. I do have some dark spots. I might try it. I have dark spots, not just on my face, but I don't know. Probably wouldn't hurt other places on the body. So anyway, there we go. That's our first item. Yay, it's a winner. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is, now this is from Mielle, and this is a rosemary mint clarifying sugar scalp scrub. It sounds awesome. I actually got a scalp scrub, a liquid one from them, anyway, this one seems more like a gel. But anyway, it's just, you're just supposed to get it into your scalp, work it in, make sure you get all the way in your scalp, and it's just supposed to help clean out, freshen up, whatever. So I think, I've never heard of a sugar scrub on your scalp, but the rosemary mint, it just feels very tingly and fresh. So I really like this product too. This was it's valued at, you can pick a bottle just like this up for $9.99. So that's the second item. The third item I have here is this is Skin & Company, and it is Sicilian Light Serum is what they call it. The thing about, I guess, that this is known for, this is also full size, and it's $60 for just this. Now, they say this is a great serum if you're in a hurry, and it's great to layer different serums on, and I tend to do that and use different serums for different things. But they say this one that kind of does it all. It has vitamin C, it has hydrating hyaluronic acid, it has squalene, it has brightening antioxidant. Oh, that's the vitamin C. But anyway, so all you need is this. If you're on those quick days, you just want to hurry. So anyway, I'm excited about this. I'll use this. It might be a nice thing to take on vacation too, because, instead of packing all the different serums, you just take this. So anyway, that's the third thing. Very bougie product. And then the next thing I have here this is also another full size, and it's a gentle cleanser from Curology. Now this cleanser you could pick it up for $12, so it's not really expensive, but it's just a simple facial cleanser. It's got a creamy gel formula, that feels comforting, not drying. And it foams quickly and washes away easily, leaving behind a softer complexion. Another good product. Everyone can use a cleanser, right? And so the next thing I have, I'm going to save the little samples till last, the sample ones. The next thing I have is a lip product. This is by Florence, and they actually had it was random, you know, you'd get one of 3 items. Now they have a glow hydrating lip oil, a tinted glow, yeah, lip oil, it says, and the hit snooze lip mask. Now the lip mask was in a little round kind of a container. The other 2 are tubes. I happen to get this is the Glow Yeah tinted lip oil. So I'm excited. I love lip oils. I love tinted lip oils. So I can see it. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. A little bit's coming out here. So anyway, there it is. So anyway, I'm excited. Another lip oil. Yay. Always like lip oils. So there's that. Then we got a sample, a couple samples here. We got Belief, and it's an eye cream in this box. And just got to show this to you. I don't know why. I don't get it. I don't know why. Is it supposed to help protect it? I don't know. Anyway, it's a big box, little bottle. This is 5 mil. Let's see, I think it's $32 for 15 mil. So this is just over $10 worth of this eye product. So not bad. It's just got a little, you know, you just squeeze. So I know Belief makes some really wonderful products. So that is a good product. And with eye creams, they last for even 5 mil is going to last a really long time. So the next sample I have here is from Olay. These are cleansing melts, and I got some in another box. I think it was my Walmart. I think it was Walmart beauty box. Now these are, they're little, it says there's 12 in here, so they're melts. Okay, so this is like a cleansing. They're cleansing pads, and they smell decent. Kind of Neutrogena always doesn't have that bad a smell. So there's 12 in here. So you just lather them up and use them as cleaners. Now that's interesting. That would be a good travel item too for a cleanser. So anyway, look at this. It's like this lip oil. It's gotten darker. It's like, that is so funny. It was super light when I first put it on. So it's going to be it's going to be a color. And that's a great color for me. I love that. So anyway, so the melts, those are really interesting. I wonder how they work. I know it's kind of a new item, a new product, and they're trying to, you know, promote it right now. So we'll see. We'll see how great they work. So, and then the last sample we have in here is just a liquid IV hydration multiplier. I think we all kind of know what these are. If we get boxes, we've probably got samples of these before. This is a 3-pack. It has white peach, lemon, lime, and green grape. So actually, some of those sound good. I do drink hydration. I use hydration drinks. So, you know, I'll just add this to I have a big, anyway, bag I keep them in. And so I'll put those in it. You know, these are decent. They taste good. And I drink a ton of water. I love just plain water. I jug it. Anyway, but I also like to use the hydration sometimes too. So anyway, that's that. So what do you guys think? I got the dark spot toner, the lip product. This is the Bougie face serum that you don't really, it has everything in it that you would want. I got the Belief eye cream, the face wash by Gentle Cleanser by, who was this by again? Curology. And then the Miel. the Miele hair scalp. So all these products were in my box, along with a couple of samples here. And so that was a really good box. Once again, we got it's all skincare basically. Skincare, hair care, face wash. But I love the lip product. I'm glad they have, you know, something lip is always, it's always fun to get a lip product. So anyway, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Did you get your Allure Beauty Box? Do you get it? Do you want to try it? So it also make a great gift. So with the holidays coming up, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of the Allure box and the products we got this month. I appreciate you so much. I'd love it if you'd support my channel. And by hitting the like button, subscribing, leaving me a comment, do those things that help my channel out. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.